Hi loves, this is your girl at Fullest Key, and I'm coming at y'all today with a little quick eye tutorial. Yeah, so I used the Zulu palette by Juvia'S. I purchased like 5 Juvia'S palette. I never got a chance to open them. I had them for over like 3 months. So yeah, I'm gonna do a little eye tutorial. I'm not gonna do my face. I'm just gonna do the eye tutorial by Juvia'S, and I'm just gonna show you guys how I achieved this eye. I'm gonna zoom in for you guys. Let me zoom in. Let me zoom in. Yeah, so if you want to see how I achieved this look, stay tuned. Hey guys, so I went ahead and I did my brows and stuff off camera, and I already started with the eyes. So I put like the reddish color and the purplish color into the crease, and then I'm just going to blend it out with the orange and blend that up into the brow bones like so. And we're just going to blend until we get a smooth transition, and then we're going to go back in with the dark purple and add it back in the crease just to define it a bit. Nothing too much, just a little bit of definition in the crease. Now I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape and Tan Sand to define my crease. To outline my crease. This is what I cut it with. I cut it with the Tarte Shape Tape and Tan Sand, and that is what I use to cut it. I'm just going to cut it with the Real Techniques brush and make sure we have the shape of the way we want that crease to actually be cut. And there you have it. Now that my crease is cut, like so, with the Tan Sand, I'm going to go ahead and play with some colors from the Zulu palette. I'm not sure what colors I want to do yet. I'll probably do like the yellow and that teal. I don't know, I don't want to do any shimmer. I want to keep it all matte, so I'll probably definitely do the yellow and that teal. Yeah, let's see. So now we're just going to go ahead and pack on that teal or turquoise, whatever you want to call it, onto the middle of that lid. We're just going to pack it on, and I'm using a synthetic brush from e.l.f. And then I'm just going to use another brush from Sonia Kashuk to make sure I get it all the way up into the crease where I'm cutting it at. I'm going to use that same synthetic brush from e.l.f. and pack on the yellow into the inner corner of the lid. Just packing it on, not sweeping it because you really want the color to pop. Now I'm just going to go back in with the dark purple that I used to blend out the crease as well and put it at the end of that lid. Just packing it on with the Sonia Kashuk brush like so. Making sure everything gets packed. Going back in, adding colors. Anything that got washed away, we're just going to pack it back on and just make sure everything is defined, standing out, and blended. There you go. Pack it on, make sure the color pops out. And then I'm just going to go back in and blend it as well. Remove that tape. And let's see that finished look. Being that I am still new to this, I am going to do my foundation, do my concealer, do my liner, put my lashes on, and then I will come back to you guys to do like my, contour, highlight, all that other good stuff. But yeah, so this is the finished eyes. I used the Juvia'S palette, Zulu palette for the eyes, and now I'm just gonna go put my foundation on, do my liner, whatever the case may be, and I'll come back to you guys in a few. So I'm just gonna put my highlighter on. This is the Drippin highlighter. I'm just gonna put this on. I'm gonna do it. My AC just cut off. I'm gonna do it in my phone so I can make a video. Sugar and Beauty Drippin highlighter. With the Luxe Make 3D Lashes and Lash Alone. Okay guys, here you have it. This is the finished product. I did the Juvia's palette Zulu on the eyes, and you guys were always saying, I heard a lot of people saying, the Zulu palette is so bomb, the Zulu palette is so bomb. But let me just tell you, I'm gonna bandwagon jump, and I am going to say this Zulu palette is so bomb, so bomb. So yes, in the crease, because I didn't talk through the video, I have like the orange. I started off with this reddish pink, then I went in with the purple, then I blended out with the orange, and I put this color under the brow bone. And then on the lid, teal in the middle, yellow in the inner corner, purple on the outer corner. And that's how I achieved this look. In my waterline, I just have like a cheap pencil from the beauty supply store. My lashes I have on are my brand, Official Glam Beauty by Key. These are my Lash Out Loud lashes. My highlighter, I have my highlighter on my face. Look at that. Drip, drip. So yes, I have my highlighter from Official Glam Beauty in the shade Drippin. Can you see that? You've seen it. You've seen it. Well, you see it here. Yes, Drippin, drip. So that's the highlight I have on. And my lips, I have on one of my new glosses from my collection as well. We haven't named her yet, but this is one of the new glosses I have on from my collection. And then I have it topped with one of my glitter gloss bombs in the shade Love Galore. And that's about it. And of course for my brows, I have my Brow Slay pomade, but you guys knew that. Well, you couldn't have, but you know. So that's the final look. I am in love. This is a unit I created. This is from a vendor on AliExpress. I'm actually going to do a video right after this. I'm trying to get all my videos done in one day, reviewing this here, so I have to get the vendor's name. Yeah, I'm not sure what the name is, but I'm going to get the vendor's name. It'll be in the next video right after this, and I'll also put the link in the bio about the vendor and about the products I use and about everything. So guys, I hope you're enjoying what I'm bringing so far. Again, I am a newbie. This is what, video number, I don't know, because I didn't edit the first one. But yeah, just stick with me, hang in there, because we're gonna get it together. This video channel is gonna be lit, okay? So just hang in there with me, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Kiss by Key.